Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character T or D step by step. I will first write it in standard scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now, let's write. T. This is a polyphone. It can be pronounced as T or D. As T, it means to carry. To mention. As D, it means to guard against. For example, 提防 提防 to guard against.提案 提案 means proposal. Or draft resolution. Now check this sentence. The proposal was rejected. Was rejected. "提案被否决了。提案被否决了。Proposal was rejected. 提案被否决了。Rejected. The proposal was rejected. 提案被否决了。My daily handwriting on the character T. T, to carry, to mention. D, to guard against. 提防, to guard against. 提案, proposal, draft resolution. The proposal was rejected. 提案被否决了。提 D. Please comment any sentence with the character T or D. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.